What do you got?
An avocado. I got an avocado. Let me go and have more. Woo, woo. And
Does it have one blind or two? It should have had two in there.
It has no.
Oh, it's a small packet, isn't
Yeah.
it?
And then we have 7. I got them oil. Amy has 5. I only have 2.
No, you got the same number as her. How much do you love your Shopkins?
A lot. This can actually fit on my dolls downstairs. Me too. Cheesecake. And a sundae. And an avocado. One to treat.
Lila, where's yours?
Well, no
Your
babies.
Shopkins.
I wish I had babies.
You put them in the bowl?
Have you seen these ones?
Hold it still. Whoa, man. Pretty cool.
Put these
Yep.
in my collection.
Alright, see you later, alligator.